Want to know how to follow someone and grow your network on Characters.AI? Today in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to do so. Let's get started. First, open the Character.AI application on your device. Tap on the Explore icon at the bottom. Here you can find many characters. Tap on any. Tap on the character name at the top. Tap on the creator's profile link at the bottom. It will lead you to their profile. Now simply tap on the follow icon to follow them. And that is how to follow someone on Character.AI. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.